tease your hair to make it fair bag?
What's that? What's that?
What's your number one thing on your list?
I forgot what that was. Doctor baby set.
Yeah.
Got
A kid.
iPod. Kid iPod.
Kid iPod. Okay. What's that next thing there?
Doctor baby set.
Kid iPod. Play-Doh set.
Play-Doh set. And paint.
Paints. What else?
Candy.
Candles.
No.
Oh, you forgot the car down here. Car.
Car. Where's
Maddie
car?
Lou's Christmas list. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!